You can perform geolocation testing with LambdaTest to test your web applications on real devices from different geographies. You can even perform GPS-based geolocation testing to pinpoint a specific geoIP to help you validate your web experience. Let's dive in to learn how to perform geolocation testing. Log into LambdaTest and navigate to the dashboard. From the left sidebar, choose Real Device, click on Browser Testing, and then specify the test URL. For this demonstration, we will use the LambdaTest homepage as the URL. Next, select the browser, device, and its version according to your preferences. Click Start to initiate a cloud-based machine running on real browsers and operating systems. From the left sidebar, click on the IP geolocation icon to select the country. You can pick from the list of available countries or search for your desired country. This action will route the cloud machine to a respective IP address based on your selection, enabling you to effectively perform geolocation testing of your website within that specific geolocation. Now, let's see how to perform GPS-based geolocation testing of your mobile websites. From the left sidebar, click on the GPS location icon and enter the address or specify the latitude and longitude of the location, or select your preferred location on the map. Then select Confirm. The cloud machine will now be redirected to the specific GPS location. There you go, you can now perform GPS-based geolocation testing of your website within the selected GPS location. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to the LambdaTest YouTube channel for more such videos.